Hi everyone, my name is Michael Barletta, co-founder of AguaceroWx, and today we're going to be going over another tutorial, this time on how to create our own forecasts in the Aguacero application. So this is a feature that is pretty unique to Aguacero. Basically what we're going to be able to do is draw our own forecasts and product generation. It doesn't have to be forecast, but anything you want onto the map, save it, and use it for later, whether you want that to be forecast verification or anything like that, or just going back and checking what you created. So what we have on the map currently is the her today for composite reflectivity as well as surface-based cape. I just made this a little transparent so things are a little bit easier to see. And we could see some moderate to maybe borderline severe thunderstorms forecasted to pop up in the her over the course of the next few hours in Colorado. So let's give ourselves some more space to work with. Close this side panel by clicking that. We see now we've taken up the entire map. And when we want to create a forecast, what we could do is come up here and click this product generation tool. And that brings up these drawing tools for you to use. So right off the bat, there are a few options of what we can do. We could select one of these drawing tools. So let's select polygon. And now all we have to do is come onto the map and start clicking around. So we could see we click, 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 and we create a polygon. Now, when we want to finish our polygon, we double click. And now we see our polygon is just automatically on the map. Now we see a few different tabs. Before we were on the draw tab, and there's some options that we'll get to here in a second, but it automatically will put us on the style tab. So there are a few different options of what we could do. We could add a different name. So let's make this General T-Storm. We can change the color of the fill. So let's say we want to change the fill color to this purple color or pink color. We could come here and do that, and we could see on the map itself it has now changed to this purple color. Then we could change the fill opacity to be more transparent or less transparent. We could add a hatching pattern. So we could see now there's this hatching pattern on here, kind of similar to what the SBC does. We could change the color of that as well. Let's just delete it for now. We could change the outline. So let's change the outline to green. We could change the width. There are a bunch of things that we could do. We could change the line type to dashed or dotted or etc. And yeah, those are the general things that we could do. So let's add a few more random things. Let's just add a line, and let's see what we could do with lines. Again, changed and make this any type of line that we want. Change the width of it, change the color. And let's add one more polygon. We could also add text if we want, but I won't go through all of the options. And this isn't really a forecast, but it's, something that I've created now. Now, what we could do, and we could see all of our different layers. Here's our line string. We name this one General Thunderstorm. We're able to delete them if we want. So we delete them, and now it's no longer there. What we could do now is save this for later. So we currently have this as untitled product. Let's change this to test forecast. And all we have to do now is click this Save New Product. And we see it's going through Save New Product, and it has successfully saved. So now if we go into our product screen, we could see here is our test forecast, and we could see we're currently editing it. So here these are two different products I randomly had made in the past. This one I made today, this one I made in the past. And what do we want to do now? Let's reset our map to remove the product from the map, or it still keeps the product on the map, but let's just take it off the map for now. So what we could do is just click clear all, and it is no longer there. And now let's say we, add a new bundle or something different. Let's just add this 2 meter temperature bundle for the GFS. And now if we want to go back and look at our forecast previously, all we have to do is again click this product generation tool, products, and click test forecast. And our test forecast will pop up. And we could see now our test forecast has popped up, the same customizations, etc. that were there before. So that's the basics of how to create your own forecast in Aguacero. Again, you could add text, you can add arrows. More will definitely be coming to this in the future, but for now, this is what you're able to do in the Aguacero application. Very unique, able to make and create and save and load back in your own forecasts or your own products for social media or whatever you want to use them for. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me or reach out to us on our Discord, at our Twitter, at AguaceroWx, or through email. Thank you.